welcome to our channel. Today we venture into a realm just as fascinating and vital, your garden. Here, amongst the leaves and blooms, a quiet magic unfolds. And today we reveal a surprising ally: vinegar. This humble kitchen staple holds a hidden world of benefits for your garden. From the tiniest seed to the unwelcome weed, vinegar plays a multitude of roles. Join us as we journey through the garden, unearthing the remarkable ways this simple liquid can transform your gardening experience. Our gardens are often battlegrounds between the cultivated and the invasive. We spend countless hours planting, watering, and nurturing our beloved plants, only to find them under siege by relentless weeds. Weeds can quickly choke the life out of our carefully nurtured plants, stealing essential nutrients, sunlight, and water. This can leave our gardens looking more like a wild jungle than a serene sanctuary. But fear not, for we have a potent, natural ally: vinegar. This common household item, often found in our kitchens, can double as an effective weed killer. White vinegar acts as a natural herbicide, disrupting the water balance within plant cells. The acetic acid in vinegar draws moisture out of the foliage, causing the weeds to dry up and die. When applied directly to weeds, vinegar effectively scorches and desiccates them. This process is quick and visible, often showing results within hours. This natural solution offers a welcome alternative to harsh chemical herbicides. Unlike chemical options, vinegar is biodegradable and poses less risk to the environment and wildlife. However, vinegar's potency is indiscriminate. It doesn't differentiate between weeds and your cherished plants. Therefore, it's crucial to avoid spraying it directly on your prized plants. Target your application precisely. Use a spray bottle to direct the vinegar only onto the weeds you wish to eliminate. Harness the power of vinegar to ensure your garden remains a haven for your chosen plants. With careful application, you can maintain a lush, healthy garden free from the tyranny of weeds, all while using a natural, eco-friendly solution. Our gardens attract a host of less welcome visitors. Ants, slugs, and snails can wreak havoc on tender leaves. Yet, vinegar proves a valuable ally. The pungent aroma of vinegar disrupts the scent trails that ants rely on. A light misting of diluted vinegar throws their march into disarray. Slugs and snails find the acidic nature of vinegar equally repellent. A barrier of vinegar-soaked diatomaceous earth deters these slimy marauders. Vinegar acts as a natural deterrent, allowing your plants to flourish undisturbed. Beneath our gardens lies a complex ecosystem teeming with life. Plants require a specific soil pH balance to thrive. Vinegar steps in as an alchemist, gently adjusting the soil's chemistry. For alkaline soils, vinegar acts as a balancing agent. Pouring a diluted vinegar solution onto the soil lowers the pH. However, over-application can be detrimental. Approach your soil's pH with a gentle hand, using vinegar judiciously. The plant world faces constant threats from unseen enemies: fungal spores. These microscopic invaders can wreak havoc on your garden, causing diseases that stunt growth and diminish the beauty of your plants. Vinegar offers a natural shield against these invaders. This common household item, known for its culinary uses, doubles as an effective plant protector. Its acidic nature creates an environment hostile to many fungal pathogens. By altering the pH level of the soil and plant surfaces, vinegar makes it difficult for fungi to thrive and spread. Regular misting of diluted vinegar on susceptible plants acts as a preventative measure. A simple solution of 1 part vinegar to 10 parts water can be sprayed on leaves and stems to ward off potential infections. This natural approach aligns with a gardener's desire for a healthy ecosystem. Using vinegar reduces the need for chemical fungicides, promoting a more sustainable and eco-friendly gardening practice. Prevention is key. Once a fungal infection takes hold, vinegar's effectiveness diminishes. Early intervention is crucial to keep your plants safe from these persistent pathogens. Regular application is crucial in maintaining this invisible shield. Consistency ensures that the protective barrier remains intact, giving your plants the best chance to flourish. Protect your plants from the unseen world of fungal foes. By incorporating vinegar into your gardening routine, you can create a safer environment for your plants to grow. Vinegar ensures your garden remains a haven for healthy growth. Embrace this natural remedy and watch your garden thrive, free from the threat of fungal diseases. With a little care and regular vinegar treatments, your plants can enjoy robust health and vibrant blooms all season long. Our gardening tools deserve the same care we give our plants. Just as we nurture our plants with water, sunlight, and nutrients, our tools also need regular attention to function at their best. Over time, soil and sap can lead to rust and harmful bacteria. These elements can degrade the quality of our tools, making them less effective and even hazardous to our plants. Vinegar steps in as a meticulous cleaner. This common household item is not only affordable but also highly effective in maintaining the integrity of our gardening tools. Its acidic nature breaks down rust and acts as a natural disinfectant. The acetic acid in vinegar reacts with the rust, dissolving it and leaving the metal clean and shiny. Submerge rusty tools in undiluted vinegar to dissolve rust. Let them soak for a few hours or overnight depending on the severity of the rust. A quick wipe down with a vinegar solution after each use ensures hygiene. This simple step can prevent the buildup of soil and sap, keeping your tools in top condition. This simple act of cleaning is vital for maintaining your tools. Regular maintenance not only extends the life of your tools but also ensures they perform efficiently. With vinegar, it becomes a ritual, respecting the tools that shape our green havens. Incorporating this practice into your gardening routine can make a significant difference in the health of your garden and the longevity of your tools. Within each tiny seed lies the potential for life. Some seeds need encouragement to awaken. Vinegar steps forward as a gentle midwife to germination. Soaking seeds in a diluted vinegar solution can help soften the outer layer. This simple pre-sowing treatment improves germination rates. Consider giving your seeds a vinegar bath before sowing. Nurture life from its earliest stages with this small act. Flowers bring joy with their vibrant hues and delicate fragrances, yet their beauty is fleeting. Vinegar offers a way to prolong their splendor. Adding vinegar, sugar, and water to a vase of flowers inhibits bacterial growth. This simple trick keeps blooms looking their best for longer. Preserve the ephemeral beauty of cut flowers with vinegar. Cherish beauty and make it last just a little bit longer. Our garden tools bear the marks of time and toil. Rust can transform a trusty tool into an unsightly mess. Vinegar stands ready to combat this metallic plague. Its acidic nature breaks down rust, revealing the metal beneath. For stubborn rust, add salt to create a potent paste. This simple method restores our tools to their former glory. Utilize the power of nature to combat the ravages of time. In every thriving garden lies a hidden treasure, the compost pile. Vinegar acts as a compost accelerator, speeding up the breakdown process. Adding vinegar helps create an acidic environment for beneficial bacteria and fungi. This simple act invigorates microbial life, accelerating decomposition. Vinegar also helps neutralize excess alkalinity in the compost. Transform your compost into a potent elixir of life for your garden. Remember the power of vinegar when tending to your compost pile. Our gardens can attract unwanted attention from furry and feathered friends. Cats and dogs can wreak havoc on planted beds. Vinegar offers a gentle yet effective solution, a natural deterrent. Animals are sensitive to strong odors and vinegar disrupts their senses. Soak cotton balls in diluted vinegar and place them around your garden. The sharp scent sends a clear message. This territory is off limits. Protect your gardens without harmful chemicals or intrusive fences. Maintain harmony in your green spaces with natural solutions. Birdbaths provide a vital source of water for our feathered friends. Regular cleaning prevents the buildup of algae and bacteria. Vinegar steps up to the task, ensuring birdbaths remain sparkling and safe. Its acidic nature breaks down algae and eliminates bacteria. Scrub birdbaths with a vinegar solution to dissolve grime. A clean birdbath prevents the spread of diseases. Ensure a healthy oasis for our avian visitors with vinegar. This simple act of kindness supports the interconnectedness of life in our gardens. So there you have it, the hidden powers of vinegar, a humble pantry staple transformed into a gardener's best friend. From battling weeds and pests to nurturing soil and plants, vinegar's versatility is truly remarkable. Remember, a little goes a long way. Always dilute vinegar before using it in your garden and apply it with care. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening hacks and tips.